How to draw Wynaut, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step of drawing Wynaut, we're going to begin by making the mouth. We're going to start off by making 3 V-like shapes that are all connected. Awesome! Next, we're going to begin to make the opening of the mouth. We're going to go over on the left hand side, and we're going to begin to make a big U-like shape connecting all the way over to the right hand side. On the inside of the empty space that we just created, we're going to begin to make the tongue. We're going to do this by using a curved line up in the left hand corner and connecting it to the top of the mouth. Fantastic! Now above the top of the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. We're going to draw the eyes by using upside down V-like shapes. Now we have to draw the shape that's on the top of Wynaut's head. We're going to do this by making a big C-like shape that is on an angle. Awesome job, very nice. Now beginning on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the outline of Wynaut's face. We're going to make a curved line connecting to the shape that we just made up top. Now we're going to draw a second curved line a little bit below, but this will not be connected. On this empty space in between, we're going to begin to make the ear after we make the curved line. All done drawing your curved line? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now staying on the left hand side of the page, we're going to begin to make an L-like shape that is connected to the curved line that we just made. This is going to be on a diagonal, and this will be the first ear of Wynaut. Next, moving up to that point that we have up top, we're going to make an L-like shape that is upside down and flipped, and then we're going to use a curved line to connect it to the empty space that is separating the 2 curved lines. We're going to go ahead and connect that right above. Moving over to the right hand side, we're going to begin to draw the second ear. We're going to start right up here with the C-like shape that we previously made, and we're going to go ahead and make a squiggle line, kind of like a curved line, but a little bit different. And it's going to go right down to that area where we first made that W-like shape for the top of the mouth. Now up here on the C-like shape, I'm going to extend this line down just a little bit. Let's move back down and finish making the right ear of Wynaut. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. And if you're not yet a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, be sure to join by hitting the subscribe button. Now let's just connect these 2 pieces that we have made. On the right side of the mouth, we're going to make a curved line to help make the right side of the shape of the face. Now below the face, we're going to begin to make the first foot on the left hand side by making a circle. Let's connect the foot to the face to make the body by using a curved line. Awesome, let's go ahead and make the rest of the body right now. We're going to go right here to the right side of the foot, and we're going to begin to make shapes that are kind of sharp like edges, kind of like V-like shapes. And then we're going to connect the right side to the face, just how we did on the left hand side. To draw the right foot, we're just going to use a simple U-like shape. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Last but not least, we're going to make the tail on the right hand side of the body. We're going to go ahead and connect the tail to the right ear that we previously made together. To conclude our drawing today before we color it in together, we're going to go to the top of the tail and we're going to add in a black dot with a circle around it. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Wynaut from Pokemon. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Also, if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so that other artists on YouTube can see it as well. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.